Hello everyone, today I will be making one of my favorite dishes called fried fish cake. It's not actually like fish paste made into fish cake, but it looked like that. And I use this kind of fish. It is called noodlefish. They are teeny tiny fish looking like short noodles. So I have defrosted and washed the fish. The smell is quite bad, and frankly they scare me. Looking at them teeny tiny fish. I'm going to mix the batter and I will have them fried. So in my opinion, this dish is really easy and simple to make. This is the batter mix that I will use. And I think maybe I'll need about probably a third or half of the bag. So it says here a quarter cups of cold water, 2 teaspoons of salad oil, and half a teaspoon of salt and a little sugar. This is for shrimp. I think maybe I won't do any measurement. I will just put the batter in a bowl and put in some water, mix it up well enough. Then I will put the fish in, some salt, some pepper, some scallion, no sugar. This is about half a bag. I'll need more water. Okay. Mix it well. You don't want the batter to be really loose. It has to be thick enough to hold the fish together. Okay, so the batter should be about this thick. Now, let's add some pepper. You can adjust the amount of pepper to your liking. And just a little bit salt. Just a little bit of salt. Because this will be served with chili sauce. So you don't want your fish cake to taste salty. Yeah. Now add in some scallion. Yeah, I love scallion, so I put in a lot of scallion. I know that some people cannot stand the smell of scallion. Mix it up, mix it up. If you want this to be spicy, I guess you can add some chili paste. as the fish go. Oh, the smell is really terrible. Gosh, there is something inside. A small string of plastic. Oh, And finally, I'll add an egg. So that it can add some colors. Okay, so mix up the whole thing. We have white, we have yellow, we have green. If the mixture seems to be a little bit loose to you, like what I'm saying right now, you can add some more batter mix so that it thickens the mixture. I'm going to add some more batter. Just a little bit more, maybe another spoon. Yeah. Okay, mix it up. Okay. Yes, it's ready. Ta-da! So I have finished frying the whole bowl of noodlefish. It was a really hard process because I really hate frying things. You know, oil just flashes everywhere all over my kitchen, and then I will have to clean it up later on. But the product, like the dish, is rewarding. So this is the first way to serve the dish. Just simply dip it into chili sauce here. So good. I really like this batter mix. It's crispy. The fish are not salty. Oh wow. You can serve this with rice and some soup, and voila, you will have a delicious family meal. That is the first way to serve the dish. And the second way, you can grab the cake or add some lettuce and then dip it with some sweet and sour fish sauce. no need for any rice if you like to enjoy it that way. So thank you for watching my video. I hope that you will try to make this dish and your whole family can enjoy it with you and you will succeed. If you like the content, please press subscribe to support me. Thanks again and goodbye. Oh, sorry, almost forgot. If you're in Canada and you want to, if you are interested in chili sauce, then I suggest this brand name Jinsu because it is closely similar to the one I usually had back in Vietnam. They sell a lot of Thai chili sauce. Just forgot the name. Sriracha, yeah, Sriracha chili sauce, which is really salty and I don't like it. I usually mix it with some ketchup, to reduce the saltiness. But anyway, this one is really good and it goes perfectly well with this type of fried dish. Alright, so this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in another video.